Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add motion track in Capcut, so let's get started right away. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is add your video to the timeline or to the track. So we have this video right here of somebody juggling. So the first thing you want to do is create a central point because we are gonna motion track the football here. So you want to go to text and just click on default. Now you want to make this into a circle. And with that circle, we're gonna put it into the middle of the screen like that. Okay, so to do this perfectly, first of all you have to increase the length here of the whole video, and you want to zoom in the video a little bit like this. So now that we have this in the central point, I actually want to zoom in a little more. Because we want to have the ball in the middle of the screen, right? Like that. And now you just want to keep on adding frames. So for this, we're gonna click on this. Add a frame. Now it moves, so now you wanna move the screen to the middle again. Add a frame and just repeat this process for the whole video. Now it moves again, so we move the video and we add a new keyframe. And just keep on doing this. Okay, now that I'm done, we just wanna remove the text or hide it, and this is how it looks, guys. Pretty cool, right? Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next one.